Well, good afternoon, and I'm delighted to welcome Lucia this afternoon from Piercy and Company. And I understand you're going to be doing one of the Pecha Kucha talks for New London Architecture this afternoon. What's the subject matter that you're talking about today?
Today I'm going to be presenting the use of brick in the Terminus building.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is that a big, exciting project for you to work on?
Yes, it's a very exciting project. It's one of our major projects in the practice. And it's been a very challenging process for us.
Right. Well, what's the big challenge that you faced then?
Well, it was quite intense design. Originally, it was going to be a refurbishment of the original building.
Okay.
But finally, we got consent for demolishing the building and erecting a new build.
Oh, okay. And the choice of brickwork, I understand, is quite critical to this, is it?
Yes, it is. For us, the materials were very important.
Yeah.
And from the beginning, we wanted the building to be a Clerkenwell classic building.
Okay.
So the choice of brick was essential for us. And the building is made in Columba brick.
Right.
And this is a handmade brick.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So quite specialist then.
Very special. All the components of the facade are a one-off product. That's because all of them are handmade.
Right. And whereabouts are they being manufactured then?
They are manufactured in the Peterson facilities in Denmark.
Okay.
Yes.
And so how does that match up with local Clerkenwell buildings and brickwork then? Is that not slightly different?
It's slightly different, but as I said, for us it was very important that the building inherited the character of the area.
Yeah.
So we wanted it to be a brick building, and our client there in London was very keen on using Peterson, as they had used that before.
Oh, I see.
So,
okay.
Yeah.
So there's some tradition and history then that you're following.
Exactly. Yeah.
Excellent. And within the context of the building work that you're doing, have you devoted much time and energy to the urban space around the building and the use of the sort of external areas?
Yes, definitely. Well, as I said, it's a new building, and we wanted to break down the massing of the overall form.
Okay.
So we, from the early stages, we were inspired by Barbara Hepworth's sculpture.
Okay.
Curved form Delphi.
Very interesting.
Yeah, and that helped us design the massing and break down the facade.
Yeah.
So the final building would be wooden tone with context and the final grain of Clerkenwell.
Okay. So is there space for people to use the outside in terms of living space and activity space?
Well, yeah, the public realm was very important for us, as well as the movement and the flow of pedestrians along the ground floor. And that has affected more the overall shape of the building, because we have these rounded curves in the building that attract the flow into the entrance lobby in the middle.
Excellent. Okay, excellent. So, is this the first Pecha Kucha talk you've ever done?
Yes, it is. I'm quite excited.
And you've got it down to 6 minutes and 20 seconds, have you?
Yeah, I've been timing myself at home, and I think I got it right.
You think you got it right?
Yes.
Well, all I can say is good luck. We try them many times, and I fail every one.
Have you? Okay, I hope I'm doing it all right today.
Good stuff. Thank you very much.
Okay,
well, I hope you
thank
enjoy your talk. Thank you.
Thanks.